Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to filter with formulas like an advanced filter. This is video number 55 and I am exploring Excel. Okay, now this time I'm going to show you how to filter with formulas but not using an advanced filter and macro, which would probably become easy for us, but we have to use the formulas. Now this can be done like this. I have an invoice database here from starting from 1001 till control down arrow till 1100, and I have a unique list of invoices like which is 1001, 2, 3, and I have a unique customers are this. And when I'm selecting any customer, like for example I select Kim, then I need to pop up all the information regarding him, like for example one here, then you can see one here, and then some down one here. It should all get come here with a serial number. How can you do that? Yes, you can do with the formulas by I'm just adding one helper column and I'm using a formula. Now let's start with the formula, and this cell is L2. So I will just write equals to sign if statement. It will begin with if statement. If this cell, that is C3, is equals to this customer name, I will just log this if I copy it down this, so it's easy to. Then if this equals to this, then I need a count of. Now what is my value 1? I need the count of. I am making an expandable range, like from A2, I am just pressing A2 F4 to log this till is to A2. Means this will create an expandable range. If I go here down to the row 8, it will be $A, $2 is equal to A8. So this will create an expandable range, and I will add 1 to 8 so that it will come next, and then double quotes. Value if false, then double quotes. Enter. Double click and send it down. Now when you go down, you can see it has changed an expandable range, like it is referencing A49, which is the previous row. It's working fine. So this is what use of helper column. Now if you select the Kim, you get the serial numbers here. Means they have located the Kim, like it is 1, this is number 3, so you can find a total 9 Kim. Okay, so I am just going to pop this out by using a VLOOKUP formula. VLOOKUp, I want to look up. First thing, lookup value I need, so I'm just writing the row. I'm using the rows function. Now what does this rows function? Gives the relative position of the rows. And now I'm selecting this K, K, the cell K5. I'm pressing F4 to log this, and K5 is to K5, and F4 to log this range, comma, lookup table array is this, the whole column down. The whole column is an table array, and I have to log this table array so that it can expand down. Now, comma, I want the column index number is 2, and then what I want the range lookup is exact match false. Now enter. Now what will happen if you both press it down? It will come an NA. So I will just add it by pressing F2 and write if error function. What will be the value if error? Will be double quotes. Enter. Now I will double click and send it down, so it will not have a prop issue. I will expand it up till row 35. Now for customer name, I am just using the same formula but little bit variation. I will VLOOKUP the invoice number. I will just write VLOOKUP. The lookup value will be this, because I have a unique invoice number, so I can look up that value, comma my table array. I will just make it this full table array. I will make it full. I will lock it. Then my column index number I need is second. Then I need an exact match. So enter. Again it will come an error down, so I will just put inside an if error function. Then value if error is double quote. So now you can see, you can filter it out. Now also I will copy here. Now here I will just change it to column number. Oops, I made a mistake. It should be K5 should be locked up. It should be, the column should be the same but the row should be different. Okay, now tab. I will double click and send it down, and then I will copy it also besides. Okay, now here I will just make it modification from 2 to 3, then from 3 to 4, and from 4 to 5, or you can make it total also, it's okay, and double click and send it down. So you can get all the invoice popped up. Now I need a serial number equals to, I will use a if statement. If this is not equal to blank, then I need a 1, else I need a blank. Equals to, if, again the same statement but little modification, if this is not equal to blank, then I need the above number plus 1, else I need a blank. I will just copy it down. So now you can get all the invoice details. I will change a customer name. You can get all his data updated very fast. You change it. Now what is the problem of an advanced filter versus this formula? Somewhere around I change this name here, like you can find here. So if I change my name to Rajesh, okay, now it will immediately update. We don't have to again click the cell. If I select Josh and I write change it anything John to Josh, it will update it automatically. So this is how the magic of formulas. Now this is little versatile in nature. You can change here. You can also even add a data if you make it expandable range. So hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe, and for more tips and tricks, do visit my YouTube channel. Have a great day.